G.SANTHOSHINI. I am a native of Hyderabad itself. I have completed my graduation in B.TECH in the stream of ECE. I have completed it in 2024. After my graduation, I enrolled in Qspiders to learn the course of software testing, wherein I have learned manual testing, SQL, Core Java, and Selenium. Manual testing was taught by Hemant sir, and Core Java was taught by Pawan sir, and Selenium is taught by Nandini ma'am. And after completion of my every course like manual, SQL, Java and Selenium, I have given mocks like 4-5 times to improve my knowledge in the subject. After that, I have attended interviews.